First of all, happy New Year wishes to everyone who has subscribed my channel. So today we are going to see about the top 10 changes in India which came to effect from January 1st, 2021. So let's go and jump into the topic, guys. The top 10 changes which came to effect from January 2021 is: first one, check payment rule. Second is about the WhatsApp. Third is about the LPG cylinder update. Fourth is about the GST sales return. Fifth is about the contactless transaction. Sixth is about the car prices. Seventh is all about landline to mobile phone calls. Is an update. There is an update over there. Eighth is about FASTag for four wheelers, which is mandatory. Ninth is about UPI payments. 10th is about the Google Pay or GPay. So let's go one by one with respect to the updates which came into effect from January 1st, guys. So relating to check payment rule, uh, there is a new system which has been introduced by RBI, the positive pay system. So which reconfirms the key. For example, if a payment check has been issued to a customer for more than 50,000 rupees, then there is a reconfirmation key. Details may be needed for payment beyond 50,000 is a new rule, guys, from January 1st. Okay, so it's a mandatory one to avoid the bank frauds and raising cases on the bank frauds, guys. Second one, WhatsApp. There are few phones which might not be eligible for WhatsApp, or might be which not be having any notification or any which can't be installed in few phones. Like for example, iPhone running iOS 9. Uh, with respect to the softwares which were installed on the phones, might be Geophone 2 might be which might not be available with respect to WhatsApp, guys. So just check your phone, or might be the updated one which you're using, guys. That is one of the update. Third one, LPG cylinder prices. So with respect to LPG cylinder, the prices will be fixed on every first, might be first of every month, based on the fluctuation rates in the international market, guys, based on the crude prices rates. So based on the oil market rates, LPG rates will be fixed on first of every month. So like we had for petrol and diesel, so LPG will also be mandated with respect to change in prices on a monthly basis, only once in a month, that too on first of every month. So next, with respect to GST sales returns. So with respect to business people, whoever does the 5 crore turnover will have to pay, or might be will have to file the returns every 4 times. Every 4 times in a month. For example, in a year, sorry. Okay. So like for example, previously we used to file only once in a year. So now what has happened is like they have changed the scheme to make sure that everyone who does more than 5 crores turnover will have to file a return every 3 months. This is mandatory one, guys, for information. So this will impact almost 94 lakh taxpayers, and about 92% of the total tax based on goods and service with respect to this. So this will be effective from the 1st of January, guys. So this is one of the change which has happened in January 1st of 2021. Next is with respect to contactless transaction. So with respect to contactless transaction, now we have around 2000 rupees of contactless transaction can be made, guys. So with effective from 1st of January, we can make up to 5000, guys. So that is the one of the major changes which has happened with respect to contactless transaction. So we don't need to give any pin number or anything, just swipe the card and then just go by it. So we can make maximum of 5000 with respect to contactless without any password or anything, guys. So that is one of the major changes which have happened. And with respect to sixth one, the car prices. So with respect to coronavirus pandemic and other situations, the car market leader like Maruti, or might be homegrown Mahindra and Mahindra, are planning to increase the rates of the car prices, guys, uh, to offset the adverse impact. With respect to the corona impact, what has happened is like the sales were dropped and other things were happened. So to to recreate or might be to gain the market. They're planning to slightly increase the rates with respect to car prices. So which has come effect from January 1st, guys. This is one of the update which we got from with respect to car, guys. So with respect to landline to mobile phones, this is a simple update which has come up. Normally, when we dial a mobile number from the landline, we directly dial the number. What has happened is like we need to make sure that we are adding zero before the dial number. I mean, for example, if in case if your number is 999999888 something is then we are dialing from a landline, then you need to add zero before that. That is one of the major update which has come up with respect to calls which is made from landline to mobile. Okay. With respect to eighth one, FASTag. Everyone knows there is a pay we need to pay on tolls and other things. So what has happened is like a government has introduced FASTag, and which has become mandatory for all four wheelers who are traveling from one city to another, might be one state to another, anywhere. So FASTag is mandatory one, and instead of paying cash, FASTag is which helps you in just swiping the card in the counter or might be in the toll plaza, and then you can go ahead. So instead of paying cash, the FASTag which helps you in the transaction. So this has become mandatory one, and this is introduced by the government Union Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, guys. So this is mandatory one. So make sure that you are having FASTag when you're traveling from might be one state to another, one district to another, what it may be. If in case if toll plaza is there, so that is mandatory one. Next one, UPI payments. So UPI payments, the new rule which has come into effect is like we need to pay, I mean, additional charges on the transaction from Amazon, Google Play, or might be Phone Pay is mandatory one, guys. So NCP, I mean, with respect to NPCI, has imposed a 30% cap on the third-party apps starting the new year, guys. So I'm not sure whether it will if impact any individuals. I'm not sure, but that will impact the Phone Pay or might be Google Pay or Amazon Pay, is what my understanding is. So it will not major impact, but there might be slight charges which will be imposed on the individuals also, guys, based on the impose. I mean, 30% of the cap which has been included by the NPCI. So that is one of the update. And with respect to Google Pay, we have Google Pay. Like for example, we have the application as well as the web also. So what has happened is like with effect from 1st of January, Google Pay's web application. I mean, not the application which we use in phone or something. It's a web thing which will not be no longer will be available or no longer will be active. So that is one of the major update which we got from Google Pay, guys. So application will be active, but the web application will not be usable, guys. So links and all we can use it. So it's effect from 1st of January. We can use only application which is installed in the mobile. That's it. So this is what I want to say. Those 10 important updates which we got with respect to January 2021, guys. So if in case if you find any other points or any other updates which you have, might be you can give it in the comments box, guys. Might be I'll include or might be it'll be a learning curve for everyone, guys. Okay. Nandri Makale. Please subscribe, share, and like my videos. Thank you for watching.